Design Boy na napapasaya ninyo kami. Ayun po, maraming salamat. And, so, the long story for our next song. So 2 years ago, we had a collaboration with a great artist with such a beautiful song. And we are so honored na napili niyo kami to have this song together. I'm pretty sure you know this one. So if you know the words, please sabay niyo kami. This one goes like this. Give it just love, second the cup, and the pump falling for each other. Seems so umagas, pero gusto mo makita. Di ako marunong kumanda, pero para sa kanya harana, harana. It's your